Ready to turn your website into a podcast listening powerhouse and keep your audience hooked with every click. First things first, head over to your Buzzsprout account and find the embed code for your podcast. You can usually find this under the podcast settings or by clicking on the next to an episode. Buzzsprout gives you options, but for our sticky player, pay close attention to the settings. Select the sticky player embed type, if provided, or look for a player with persistent playback features. Customize the player style and color to complement your brand, and decide if you want the entire playlist to show or a singular track. Now, let's hop over to your website. Whether you're using Wix, WordPress, Squarespace, or another platform, the process is similar. You'll need to access your website's backend editor or design interface. Find the section where you can input HTML code or embed a snippet, usually an insert code or custom HTML element on the page. This could be a content block, a widget, or a header, footer setting depending on your platform. Paste your Buzzsprout embed code into the designated area. Carefully position the player. You likely want it to remain at the bottom of the website no matter what page is being displayed. Preview or update the page to check out your changes. Boom! Your sticky podcast player should now be visible on your website, ready to stream your latest episode. Now, your listeners can tune in wherever they are and spend more time engaged with your podcast. With every new visit to your website, they can stay listening to your content.